Last week on Sailing Tipsy Gypsy, we explored North and South Benjamin Islands. We dropped the hook in a much busier anchorage and hiked to some secluded areas to enjoy our hammocks. Hammocking is one of our favorite pastimes, especially with great scenery in every direction. I also get an alone day to hammock, eat wild blueberries, and take a dip in the clear fresh water. We also realize the dogs need to be on their leashes due to the black bears we see on North Benjamin Island. These islands are gorgeous, and we can't wait to visit again soon. We sailed only about 25 miles to get to Little Current. It was nice to see civilization again after such a secluded time on Croker Island and the Benjamin Islands. We stopped to replenish our water tanks and to provision our meals for our upcoming journey to Killarney and Bay Fin. Alright, we made it to Little Current. This is our view. We've got the swing bridge over there in the distance, which we will cross either tomorrow or the next night. Let's look at the marina. There's a couple of them, which is not on the charts, but we're glad to have gotten a spot because every single slip was already booked for the next couple days. I'm hiking, well, up these stairs and up over there to get to the grocery store. I don't know where I'm going quite yet, but somebody told me that it's this way. So, onward. I also went to an LCBO, which proved to be the best possible stop for our love of microbrews. Before leaving Little Current, we watched Runcible and other boats pass by the swing bridge as reference for us. We'd be leaving the next day, but first enjoyed an amazing night with our friends Stir Crazy and some friends down the dock. Little Current was a quick trip for us, but very productive. The next day, we were off.
Alright, we are leaving Little Current. It's a very cute town, and we're very happy to have stopped there.
They have delicious ice cream right next to the dock.
So good! So now we get to go through this really cute swing bridge. We're a little bit early, so we'll show you some of the beers that we got. We made a great shopping trip. Well, I made a great shopping trip. I carried a bunch of beers in my backpack. They sell them all singly. But the first beer that we're drinking today is called Detour. It's from Muskoka Brewery. I'll probably have to redo that. It's got really cute illustrations all over the cans. We did have this yesterday with some new friends, Jeff and Cecily and Owen. And they have a cute dog named Jasper. I'm getting really good at names again. And this brewery is pretty amazing, so I'll let you know all the ratings if you want to follow us on Untappd. We have Untappd. I'll put that in the link below, and we're just going to be chilling here for a little while.
We didn't wait too long and the bridge swung open for our travels to Killarney.
Look at all this work I gotta do tomorrow.
again though, because there's an Unsuch, a smaller one, right? A 30, Unsuch 30 is sailing our way right now. We're gonna pass it. We'll do a little friendly wave and ask if they're going to the regatta. Alright, I am drinking Fire in the Rye. It's a roasted rye pale ale. I am in love with it. It's a strong beer and it's made by Double Trouble Brewing Company. We're gonna turn this corner and start to sail.
It was a very relaxing sail for us all.
We thought we'd check out this anchorage. It's pretty wide open, but there's a lot of houses. Not a lot of houses, probably like 5 houses. But it would be kind of a ways to take the dogs out. So we're gonna go another hour and a half to inside Killarney. Sure, we saw some naked people on the beach over there, but hard to tell from this far. Some really nice houses. Alright, we're headed further into a different anchorage right now, and we're going to go to Covered Portage. It's really late in the day, it's probably going to be very busy, but we're still going to try it out. We've never been, we've heard that everyone goes there, it's the best place to go in Killarney, and we just heard somebody radio in saying that they wouldn't have a spot to stay at the marina, so we're really hoping that there's a spot for us in the anchorage, but we will see.
Our sail from Little Current to Killarney was quick and easy, allowing us to enjoy our microbrews and for the dogs to get some shut-eye. We had issues with our nav pod turning on and off, but used Navionics as a backup. Navionics is our backup for electronic charts, and at times has been better than our current electronic charts. Always nice to have good backups.
Sunset has already happened behind us, but we're gonna go explore anyways because we had an amazing dinner and we're gonna drink a couple more of our awesome microbrews. Take these guys out for a walk and enjoy the scenery. It's beautiful out here. See some of the color from the sunset over here. Elwood is a very brave dog on the dinghy right now.
We were easily able to find an anchorage in Covered Portage, and the scenery was much more elevated than the previous islands we had visited. It was a very relaxing evening coming in, but we knew we'd have to stay an extra day to enjoy some hiking.
Don't mind how sweaty I am. We just hiked up a huge mountain of marble, pink granite. What is this? Pink granite? This is marble. It's like super cool looking too. I mean, this is a broken piece of it. It's like kitchen counter marble. But here's the view.
This wasn't the highest that we went, but the best view by far. We went there multiple times during our stay and also enjoyed more of our microbrews too.
Alright, happy afternoon. It's time to drink beer. We are drinking a Cameron's Brewing beer called 12 Mile India Pale Lager. We've never had very many India Pale Lagers, but really cute illustration. Similar to yesterday's bear one. I can't remember what that one was. I didn't check that one in. Oh, Darren shook it on me. Let's try it out.
Hi. I'm gonna open the beer. This is the Cameron's Brewing Captain's Log Lager. You can tell it's gonna be good because it's got a sailboat on it, the lighthouse, and night sailing is always really awesome. It is a picture of Oakville's first lighthouse, which is apparently a landmark. And it says that this one has won some Gold Ontario Brewing Award, Canadian Brewing Award, and U.S. Open Beer Championship.
Wow.
So it should be really good. So,
Very
open this up. Mary shook it on me.
Prime opportunity for a shower. Just started raining. It's really pretty. Glad we have a Bimini and a Dodger to protect us. It's only going to last for a little short while. If you notice in the clouds that break right there. It'll probably just rain for, yeah, just a couple hours. Alright, it's filming.
Yeah, this is the fastest way to go, but we're getting really wet, so stop.
That was really funny. Really wavy.
Actually, it doesn't even look like I have my eyes open right now because the sun is so bright.
It makes you look great with this backdrop. Darren's trying to splash me. I can always tell when it's coming because he makes really funny faces. No, now you're trying to.
I won't.
We had an amazing time in Killarney, and the fish and chips at Herbert's is a must. The best fish and chips I've ever had and will probably ever know. It was a 30-minute dinghy ride for us both ways and could not be happier that we took the trek. It would also be our last day in Killarney, so we made sure to go back to our spot and enjoy another beautiful sunset in the North Channel. We're going to let the sunset play out a little longer. If you're planning to visit the North Channel, make sure to add Killarney to your list. There are plenty of guncles to enjoy, amazing food to try, and incredible heights to conquer. Another beautiful stop, and for us, some amazing microbrews to enjoy. Next time on Sailing Tipsy Gypsy, we visit a freshwater fjord and hike to a dead lake on our visit to Bay Finn. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Cheers, and thanks for watching.